Active Auto Works exhaust cold start for the vlog.
Shit sound nice though.
It does. Active Auto Works exhaust for the win.
It looks pretty good. It's not that loud, I'm telling you.
That's fine. It sounds good.
Oh, you're revving it too?
For the vlog.
Oh yeah.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today, you already know last time I went and picked up the ZHP motor, trans, diff, etc. to go into my new swap. But we're actually going to be picking up the full interior from that donor car, and it's going in the red BMW now. So we're gonna go pick up that interior, seats, dash, center console, the steering wheel. Buddy told me he was gonna throw in the exhaust for free. I really don't need it, but I kind of like the tips. The tips on the exhaust is a little better than mine, so I'm just gonna take it, probably polish it up while it's off the car, and yeah, get out of here and let's go get it. So the cargo van, it only has 2 seats in the front. So guess who's riding in the shit? I'm about to fall. Oh shit! It's got more room than a Maybach. I got more leg room than a little bit, I'll tell you that. And I'm not even all the way at the back. I'm actually not, I should have brought me an air mattress. Look at what's left of my parts car once the diesel takes out. Woo. Everything, mine. She's naked. Oh, somebody forgot their water. Active Auto Works exhaust cold start for the vlog.
Shit sound nice though.
It does. Active Auto Works exhaust for the win.
It looks pretty good. It's not that loud, I'm telling you.
That's fine. It sounds good.
Oh, you're revving it too?
For the vlog.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
You can drive it, it's reliable.
Yeah, if you look back there, the whole
nothing.
trunk's gutted.
Yeah, I saw that. It's got, and those seats, they're not bad, but they're not the greatest. But they are reclinable. Man, the E46 they have electronic. These are manual.
Oh, nice small steering wheel too.
It runs like a beast.
So I got about 9.
$9,000, that's too much.
Nah, 900. How much more?
I'm like 9.
Nah, yeah.
Like, who brings $9,000 with them?
I know, right? And man, you
Hey, when
baller.
we get there, dog.
Baller.
You already know.
I was about to be like, damn, this gonna ball or not.
My drift car.
Right.
Hey, did you see my new drift car? Yeah, check out the.
Boosted?
Supercharged.
No, actually found forms. Motor either needs a head gasket or a piston.
Damn.
On the car for him?
What supercharger kit is it?
Vortex.
And it's a 4-door super win. All right, got the interior loaded up. Got my exhaust loaded up. Clean seats, clean seats. Mission accomplished? Mission accomplished. If you don't shop with Alex Bugera, definitely check him out. He's a good businessman right there. I can vouch, I'm telling you right now. Interior's clean. Interior's clean. With the dash though. My man's got heated seats now. I didn't even know heated seats was an option, especially if you got an M-Tech. You know what I'm saying? I thought heated seats was just like, yeah, you get that.
Everybody get that. No, they
That's crazy. But yeah, so picked up that full interior, all the seats, door cards,
That's what you call
center
it.
console, the
All
A and B pillars, everything
Yeah.
except for the headliner
All that.
and the steering wheel, because this nigga didn't give us a steering wheel, but
Shiesty ass. Nah, he fucking with the kid. He fucking with the
for real, he fucking with the kid hard. But yeah,
Trying to find me another motor to beat Mikey.
to beat me.
That's his.
Hey,
That's what you heard him. He was like, "You trying to get ZHP too?"
right.
Yeah, nigga. No.
So we got everything we wanted except for the steering wheel.
And we got more parts in case we need.
Yeah. I got some more extras too, so that was good luck. Oh shit, I forgot about the fucking
Unless you're 18 and over,
yeah, please no smoke unless you're 18 and over.
we don't support tobacco products.
Do it for the vlog. That's today's motto, is do it for the vlog. What we doing for the vlog today?
A lot of people did it for the vlog today.
Hell yeah. Hey, that McLaren did it for the vlog.
He did
Did
it.
it for the vlog.
He's like, "Oh, this nigga got a camera."
Yeah, he was like, you know, let's get a
He's like,
camera
"All right,
now,
let me get perfect. Let me get perfect." All right, we making this turn.
He was new to the car, so he couldn't make the turn good. And he turned down
He
Russell.
escaped the heat. I ain't going
Man.
down with Swanee.
Oh, I could barely get it on video.
With the honey seats, like the
Yeah, that
honey-
yellow mustard, that honey
yellow
mustard.
mustard,
That
yeah.
honey mustard.
honey mustard,
Honey mustard seats, man.
with the red moon.
Oh, the red mook. Hey, shout out to Tall Guy Car Reviews for real, because y'all got real niggas saying mook for real. Fuck, I forget his name, but he played in the NBA, and he let Parker from Vehicle Virgins drive his new GT2 RS.
Love social media. Get this NBA player, Austin Rivers, DM'd me yesterday and goes, "Hey man, I'm a fan of the channel." I'm like, that's freaking cool, having fans of all different professions. And it turns out he's a massive car guy. Get this, he has a 458 Speciale, a Ferrari F12 TDF. These are some serious car enthusiast vehicles. And today, he invited me to the delivery of his brand new GT2 RS.
And even he was shouting out Tall Guy Car Reviews, talking about the mook, the mook. I was like, yeah, you got real niggas saying mook, bro.
See, but you got a lot of people like me though. All they hear is BMWs are expensive to maintain.
New BMWs are expensive. Okay, so let me tell y'all this right now for the vlog. One time for the one time. Those of you who say BMWs are expensive or expensive to work on, that's incorrect. E90 and up are expensive to work on. Let me tell you that right now. E46, E36, E30, E28, all of that. All of it. Yeah, okay, cool. So let me even get more specific. So anything 2006 and older are super affordable, super reliable. And I'll even go as far to say a E90, E92, N52 is it? That's, yeah, N52, which is a 328i, naturally aspirated, are reliable. However, if you are going to get a turbo BMW, N54 only, because you can get 600 horsepower for $1,000 or less. N55, you're capped at like 450. Like, that's it. That's how you're getting. Sorry, guys. N55 guys, I feel your pain. I'm sorry. But yeah, anything 06 and older, all motor, naturally aspirated, reliable, you'll have no problems with it. Cool. Just watch overheating issues. That's the only thing you have to watch for is overheating. As long as they don't overheat, you'll have no problems. And if it's boosted, N54 is the only way to go. Now, some people say N54 is unreliable. That's untrue. As long as you maintain them. And N52, which is naturally aspirated 3.0 inline 6, is also. Damn. That fan van pick up though.
Those N54s can also handle that JB4 tune good too.
Yeah, the JB4 tune, that's what I'm saying. For less than $1,000, you can have over 600 horsepower.
I don't want it.
Yeah.
I don't want it.
As long as you get downpipes, exhaust, intake, and JB4, you're doing 400.
I always thought about the all-wheel. What's up with those? The all-wheel beamers.
The all-wheel, they're just heavy because they have the extra drivetrain.
More horsepower.
Not necessarily more
He's like, I don't know.
horsepower,
I found it off the forum. Talking about you old people.
yeah.
You got money. Stop playing.
I'm saying, spend the check, cut that shit. About to kill the video. Can't let y'all see where we going for real, even though it's facing this way, but still. We'll be back. For the Fed van at U-Haul with the backup camera in the rear view. That's pretty cool. That's lit. Look at who we see. Look at Loke. The big Loke dog. As you can tell, we're back. It's really late. This trip took way longer than we expected, but everything worked out. Got the interior. I got my exhaust. You got to hear the Active AutoWorks exhaust. Dolo's out putting his new interior in, you know. It's a win. We all came up today, so till the next one, we out.